as far as business is concerned, consulting and coaching, I've been a consultant and a coach for a long time, but I never put that label on it. And so I've always wanted to help people and things like that. And one thing that I learned as I kind of moved into the official role of a consultant was you see a lot of things online on Facebook, social media that says, join my group or buy my program. It's $5,000. I can teach you how to scale and get 1,000 clients in 24 hours. But what I've learned is leverage, start small, right? We don't have to yes, think big, but start small. You don't have to sit there again and bang your head on the wall trying to figure out what course should I take? Where can I pay $10,000 for this person to help me make, whatever? Start with the people in your community. I was able to leverage partnerships with the university that I graduated from, Norfolk State University here in Norfolk, Virginia, the Black Chamber of Commerce, and the SBDC, which is the Small Business Development Center here in Hampton Roads, to where a small percentage of my clients come from me actually marketing. I allow these organizations to send me clients and I get paid for it. None of this is volunteer. I get paid for it. And so literally, I'd say one, maybe two out of every 10 clients I have, I've personally, brought on. So that's what I mean by leverage your community, leverage community partnerships. You don't have to do everything yourself.